Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So today I'm going to share the documents that you need to present at the airport or the port of entry as an international student in Canada. So also the steps from Manila Airport to Canada Airport. So alright, so look at my background. I really love it because I'm here at Victoria Park, downtown. Alright, so first, in Manila Airport, or after you drop your bags, immigration. So these are the documents needed. Of course, the first one is passport. So you're not going to forget this. This is the most important documents. The second one is vax rate. So you may get this through website, vaxrate.doh.gov.ph, or if your name is not yet reflected, just like me, you are going to go to the municipality where you live. Okay, so you need to, I think, input all the information there first. Alright, so third is ArriveCAD. So ArriveCAD, so you need to install an ArriveCAD application on your phone, then 3 days or 72 hours before your flight. So you need to input all your information. Tips: so you cannot finish to fill out the form if it's not exactly 72 hours, even minutes. So you need to wait. So nangyari yan sa akin. So once installed, open the application, then click start, ArriveCAD form. So from there, so there are 3 steps that you need to fill out. So first is trip details. This is very easy. Just follow the instructions given on the app. Then public health requirements. Follow the instruction as well. And the last, if you want to advance your declaration, that is actually optional. Okay. So since you can do this declaration when you arrived at the airport in Canada. Alright, next is LOA. So LOA, this is letter of admission. So you already have this since you started your visa application. So right? Am I right? So do not forget this document, okay? And then the last one, this is also very important. So letter of introduction. So once your application approved, IRCC will email this letter. So if you have agency like me, the agency consultant, they're the one who emailed this to you. Okay, so that's very important, guys. So once done in the immigration, you need to proceed to your gate number. So find your gate number as soon as possible, because from there you need to go to the line for hand carry inspection, and this will take like 2 to 3 hours for that process, especially if there are lots of passengers. So akala ko talaga before, kasi nag naman ako ng international flight, but iba ngayon. So even yung hand carry, meron pang second inspection. Next are the steps once you arrived in Canada Airport. So my route is Manila to Vancouver, then Vancouver to Toronto. So if my POE or port of entry is in Vancouver, so from Vancouver, these are the steps. Okay, so once arrived, go to the kiosk for declaration. And then second, declaration. So once arrived, go to the kiosk for declaration. So declaration card, this is usually, you will receive this while on board the aircraft. So then complete it before you arrive. However, Paul did not give us a declaration card when we were still on the plane. So when we arrived at Vancouver Airport, so we need to do this thing through their kiosk. Okay, it was very easy. Just go to the kiosk. If you're hesitant, I don't know what to do, or you don't know how to use it, just approach the staff at the airport. They can guide you. And first, you are going to input your name, birthday, home address, Canada address, so where you are going to stay here in Canada, the purpose of your trip, of course, that's for study or student. So arriving from just select other country, direct, the airline and flight number, and your duration of stay in Canada. You just put 365 days, then click print and get your receipt. Okay, so once done declaring and hand your declaration receipt, you are going to claim your baggage now. So go to the claim baggage area and get your luggages. Okay, so once you get your luggages or bags there, immediately proceed to the immigration. Okay, because ang daming kumukuha ng study permit. For me, at that time, I need to hurry up because I have a connecting flight, so I only have 6 hours before my flight. So if the line in the immigration is too long, you might can't catch up your next flight. So might as well pag may connecting flight ka or domestic flight pa after dun sa Vancouver or Toronto, kailangan mag-alag ka ng maraming oras. Okay, so in the immigration process, get ready on hand your LOA, passport, letter of introduction from IRCC. Okay, so that's it. Then inspector will check your documents. You just need to wait like 15 to 30 minutes before they will call your document. Do note that if your course has co-op, you need to get the co-op permit along with your study permit. So do not forget that, guys. You need to check before you leave the immigration office. Okay. Then that's if you have connecting flights. So go to exit. I have a squirrel here. Exit, then present your declaration receipt to the exit officer, and then immediately proceed to your next flight or domestic flight. So mine is in Toronto, so I went there and I need to find the airline name. So yung yung Vancouver kasi napakahaba ng airport, so ang haba pa ng lalakarin mo. So do not waste your time. So mine is WestJet, then drop my baggage. I drop my baggage, then proceed to the boarding gate. But they need to check your hand carry again. So unfortunately, so this is my story. When they check my body, the immigration security, the immigration security alarm rang. I don't know why. Maybe because of my belt and I forgot to take off. Maybe my watch. And so I went a thorough checking, of my body, and also check. They really check my hand carry. But they can't find any. I don't know why. So they let it go. Fortunately. So lesson learned, guys. If you are going to wear a belt, watch, or any metal, you just take that all off and put it in your bag, so they can scan together with all your hand carry things. Okay. So again, arrived in Vancouver Airport immigration. So these are the documents needed. First one is passport. Okay, that is very important. So of course hindi niyo yan makakalimutan. The second one is LOA, letter of admission, coming from that's from the school. Ang school magbibigay niyan. So, and the most important also is letter of introduction. So this is from IRCC. Okay, and you may also bring the proof of funds, or if you have GIC certificate, the guaranteed investment certificate. So for the proof of funds, in my case, immigration didn't ask about this document. Okay, but just in case, might as well, prepare everything. If you don't have, if you don't have GIC, just prepare your bank statement and bank certificate. All right. Okay. Sorry. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, comment, and you may also share this to your friends, especially yung mga darating pa dito sa Canada for the fall intake, winter intake, and like I think May ba ang tawag na, nakalimutan ko na kung anong classic intake yun. Anyway, so thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.